Number 1. 1988 Ford Ranger 4-cylinder manual, $2,400, Gladstone, Oregon. This one-owner 1988 Ford Ranger represents the kind of compact pickup that made Ford's small truck lineup so popular during the late 1980s. Powered by a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission, this Ranger offers simple, dependable mechanicals that are easy to maintain. Designed with 137,000 miles and an all-original configuration, it retains much of its authentic character. The truck has been sitting for a couple of years and currently needs a battery, but these Rangers are known for durability and straightforward revival potential. A clean title and original condition make it a strong candidate for a budget-friendly classic mini truck project. Number 2. 1989 GMC Sierra 2500 original owners, $3,450, Fremont, California. This 1989 GMC Sierra 2500 is a solid heavy-duty pickup powered by a reliable 5.7-liter V8 with an automatic transmission. Owned by the original owners since new, it still runs and drives well with 230,000 miles. The SLE trim adds extra comfort, while cosmetic wear like faded paint and a torn seat reflects its honest work truck history. Late square-body GMC trucks remain popular for their classic styling and dependable durability. Number 3. 1985 Ford F50XL, $5,000. Redmond, Oregon. Ford's 1985 F250XL with the legendary 6.9-liter diesel engine is a true old-school heavy-duty pickup built for serious work. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and 4-wheel drive, this truck delivers the rugged mechanical simplicity that diesel enthusiasts appreciate. The naturally aspirated International Harvester-built diesel engines from this period earned a reputation for longevity and strong low-end torque. With 250,000 miles, this example shows honest use but remains a desirable platform for towing, farm use, or restoration. Clean title diesel Ford trucks from the mid-1980s continue to attract collectors who value durability over luxury. Number 4. 1989 Nissan Pickup Regular Cab 4x4, $3,900, Puyallup, Washington. Compact Japanese pickups from the late 1980s are becoming increasingly collectible, and this 1989 Nissan 4x4 is a solid example. Featuring a 4-cylinder engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and low original mileage at 135,000 miles, this truck reportedly runs and drives without mechanical problems. The seller notes it remained adult-owned and was never abused off-road, which is uncommon for many surviving 4-wheel drive mini trucks. The body and interior are both described as being in very good condition, preserving the clean and simple styling Nissan trucks were known for. Reliable, fuel-efficient, and easy to maintain, these pickups have earned a loyal following among classic truck enthusiasts. Number 5. 1987 Isuzu Pup, $4,000, Tucson, Arizona. The 1987 Isuzu Pup is one of the more underrated compact trucks of the 1980s, offering dependable engineering and practical utility. This supercab 4-wheel drive example is powered by a 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission, delivering the lightweight simplicity these trucks are known for. The seller describes it as running great, with a clean interior, good body condition, and desirable features like a moonroof and factory air conditioning. Although the air conditioning currently does not work, the truck's overall condition appears solid for its age. Compact Japanese pickups like the Pup have developed a growing collector market due to their reliability and nostalgic appeal. Number 6. 1974 Chevy C10 Longbed with liftgate, $4,650, Prescott, Arizona. This 1974 Chevrolet C10 Longbed stands out thanks to its functional liftgate setup and extensive mechanical upgrades. Powered by a rebuilt 283 cubic inch V8, fitted with upgraded 305-cylinder heads, the truck also benefits from power steering, power brakes, and a 5-speed transmission for improved drivability. The seller states the engine has accumulated only around 1,500 miles since installation, making this a potentially dependable, work-oriented classic. Liftgate-equipped pickups are uncommon today and add unique utility value to vintage trucks. With its mix of old-school styling and practical upgrades, this C10 could serve equally well as a cruiser or light-duty hauler. Number 7. 1957 Chevrolet 3100 pickup truck, $15,000, Tucson, Arizona. Chevrolet's 1957 3100 pickup remains one of the most iconic American trucks ever produced, and this rust-free Arizona example benefits from tasteful upgrades. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission, it offers significantly improved drivability compared to the original factory drivetrain. The clean Arizona title and solid Southwestern body are major advantages, as rust-free Task Force-era Chevrolet trucks are increasingly difficult to find. The truck reportedly runs and starts well, though new tires are recommended before regular road use. With its timeless styling and upgraded powertrain, this Chevrolet is an attractive vintage cruiser with strong collector appeal. Number 8. 1979 Chevrolet Cheyenne, $3,700, Belfair, Washington. This 1979 Chevrolet Cheyenne captures the classic square body look that has exploded in popularity among truck collectors. Finished in a two-tone green and white color scheme, the truck is equipped with a newer 350 V8 engine, automatic transmission, headers, dual exhaust, and dual fuel tanks. Additional comfort features like cruise control, power steering, and power brakes make it more enjoyable to drive than many earlier classics. The newer brakes and tires are valuable upgrades that improve usability and safety. Square-body Chevrolet trucks from the late 1970s remain among the hottest segments in the vintage truck market due to their rugged styling and enormous aftermarket support. Number 9. 1988 Ford F-150, $750, St. Paul, Minnesota. At only $750, this 1988 Ford F-150 presents an affordable entry point into classic truck ownership. Equipped with the desirable 5.8-liter V8 and four-wheel drive, this truck offers strong restoration potential despite currently running rough and needing mechanical attention. The seller notes the engine still turns over with a jump start, suggesting the truck may not require extensive revival work. Clean title 1980s Ford 4x4 trucks have become increasingly sought after thanks to their durable drivetrains and classic boxy styling. For someone willing to invest time and labor, this could become a rewarding project or off-road build. Number 10. 1975 GMC Chevy 3/4-ton truck, $5,000, Spring Valley, California. This 1975 GMC heavy-duty pickup is powered by a massive 454 cubic inch V8 paired with a heavy-duty manual transmission, delivering the kind of brute force performance vintage truck fans appreciate. With 86,000 miles and a clean title, the truck reportedly runs and drives well while remaining permanently exempt from California emissions requirements. The addition of headers likely enhances both power and sound, giving the truck even more character. 3/4-ton trucks from this era were built for serious hauling and towing, and their durable frames continue to make them popular among collectors and working-class enthusiasts alike. Number 11. 1967 Chevrolet C20, $3,000, North Las Vegas, Nevada. This 1967 Chevrolet C20 is a running project powered by a strong 3.3-stroker V8 with airflow research heads and a SM465 manual transmission. The engine reportedly has only 2,500 miles, and the truck features a recently installed clutch. It starts and stops well, making it a solid foundation for restoration or customization. First-generation 1967 Chevrolet CK trucks remain highly desirable for their clean styling and classic design.